Welcome back to the Talking Hedge. I'm Josh Kincaid, capital markets analyst and host of your cannabis business podcast. Today, we're going to take a look at the top 10 cannabis news stories of the week, starting with number 10. There's a couple of reasons to get psychedelics into your portfolio. If investors want to get involved in the world of psychedelic medicine, there's a couple of cannabis companies that you can take a look at. Number 9, there are 3 cannabis stocks that posted profits in the past year. So that's Cronos, Charlotte's Web, and Trulieve. Apparently, there's a couple of them that posted a profit. Moving on to number 8, MindMed's new psychedelic invention could make bad trips a thing of the past. Moving on to number 7, Aurora Cannabis, a trio of write-downs likely awaits. So this is after their billion-dollar write-down recently. But unfortunately for Aurora, the company continues to lose money at an extraordinary pace. Number 6, Jim Cramer says buying Canopy Growth if you think the Democrats will win. Okay. Number 5, Organogram's financing is a good idea, says a Raymond James analyst. So this analyst released a research update on Organogram and believes that the company should have an excellent upcoming quarter. All right, number 4, cannabis multi-state operator Hollister Farms. They're upping a deal to acquire psychedelic company Alpha Mind. Hollister Biosciences, they announced that they reached a definitive agreement to acquire Alpha Mind brands, a move that'll see the surging multi-state operator diversifying into a highly promising psychedelic sector. Number 3 on the list, will Aphria flourish in 2020 despite the cannabis industry's struggles? According to this, they got strong leadership and profitability, making it an intriguing bet. So that's a good word to use, bet. Number 2 is that Champion Brand secures long-term supply of psilocybin under a DEA Schedule 1 license. And number 1, why Canopy Growth just became a great buy. I don't know about a good buy. Maybe a good bet would be buying in on the most oversold. So Intech, negative 3.99%. Maybe tomorrow they'll be bouncing back high. We'll have to wait and find out. I'm just going to point out here that Canopy Growth closed at 1710. That's not fortuitous. It's just funny. One successful strategy that worked for me back in 2008 was playing the volatility. So looking at the most oversold stocks, for example, not the best of examples today being Monday, but Intech was down almost 4%, 3.99%. And so I might play that next day if it goes up 5%. That's what I'm expecting on the bounce of the volatility. But looking at some of the stock gainers and losers for today, Green Lane Holdings, they were up 27%, and Vivo Cannabis up 22%. So then I would expect those to go down, if not tomorrow, next day. So we're going to take a look to see who the losers are. Next Leaf Solutions, down 15, MaryMed, down 5.5. And so keeping track of those, we'll test our theory tomorrow and see if they are on the bounce. So Next Leaf going up, and then on the flip side, Green Lane Holdings, we would expect to go down. So let's test our theory. Let's look at the volatility. Let's look for some opportunities. What's your strategy? So my strategy is to let a high-frequency trader do the work for me. So we have machine learning. So this AI-based algorithm with technical analysis and predictive analytics is doing pretty well for us. By comparison, you can look at the ETFMG Alternative Harvest Index is negative almost 32% year to date, and PODX is down over 38%. We are up almost 27.5%. So more than a 50% difference. We are up 116% since inception. That'd be August of 2019. So MJ is down negative 58%, PODX down negative 59%. We are up 58. So again, 116% difference. That's my strategy, is just to let this algorithm do the work with all the high frequency traders out there. If you can't beat them, join them. So with that, we're going to roll this one up. I'm Josh Kincaid. This is the Talking Hedge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, or don't, and I'm out.